Hello everyone. So far we have learned about the many string functions like strlen, strcpy and cpy, string comparison functions, right? And in this session we are going to learn about the strcat and strncat, these two functions. So basically strcat and strncat, both the functions are for the concatenation. Concatenation means join two different strings. It's very easy. Concatenation means join two different strings, concatenate two strings. It's very easy and very simple. See, here we have one example. In str1 we have one string mangoes are, and in str2 this is your str1 and okay, this is your str1 and this is your str2, which contains only yellow, right? Now when we apply the function strcat and in parameter str1 str2, means what we are doing, we are concatenating string 2 with the string or at the end of string 1, right? So our first string is mangoes are. This is your str1 and this is your str2. We are concatenating it. Let's say if I write strcat in the bracket str2 comma str1. So in that case my output would be like this: yellow, yellow mangoes are, because this is your first string and this is your second string and this is your first string, right? This is your str2 and this is your str1. So it's very easy concatenation. So after the strcat, the other is strncat. See, here we have strncat. It takes three parameters: string 1, string 2, source and the, so both are the source ultimately. So str1, str2, but how many characters you want to concatenate? Let's say 4, means any integer value you can provide. So here if you observe that we have mangoes are, this is your first string, right? But only 4 letters of the string 2 you want to concatenate, means from string 4 from string 2 take first 4 letters. So our second string is yellow, so we have taken yell, only 4 letters. So this is about the strncat. It's very easy, very simple. So this is about the string concatenation function.